Do you want to make your WooCommerce store more appealing? Bring your WooCommerce products to life. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple images to your product variations so customers can see every detail before they click buy. Nevertheless, having the WooCommerce variation images gallery, you get to add ultimate extra images for every variation. This plugin facilitates an incredible editing range with the straightforward custom sorting option. For this, go to the plugins. To add new plugins, in the search key box, type variation image gallery powered by RadiusTheme that allows you to add ultimate additional images for each variation of product. So install and activate this. Here it is, the interface of it. Now go to the plugins again. Add plugin. To upload plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Select it and then install now. After installing, click on Activate Plugin. Here these are. You need to install and activate Variation Images Gallery for WooCommerce and the Pro version for this special feature. Now, go to the WooCommerce and then Settings. This is the appearance of the settings. You'll get some several settings option, but go to the variation gallery. From here, go to the general. According to the general, you can customize these options. For example, gallery width and etc. Then go to the advanced. You can enable or disable gallery image, and then you can set and select main image transition effect from slide, fade or position bottom option. Then in the style, you can change some visual styles. Then go to the tools. You can enable or disable to delete all data option. You can add your license code here, and from the related plugins you can purchase these from here. Now in the step 1 we will create the product attributes. For this, go to the product and then attribute. Now provide a name for this like color and then save it. If you want, you can further add another attribute and then save this. This is how you can keep continuing to add more. After that, under the terms, click on Configure Terms. For the product color, add your color name like black and then save it. If you want, you can add more color and then save this. And this is how you can add more and more, that how much you want. After that, go to the attributes again to add another one for the size. So click on Configure Terms and provide the size like M and then save it. Thus, you can add size L, XL and etc. like this way. Thus, you can create the product attributes. In the step 2, now we will add a product and create a variation image gallery. Firstly, go to the products to add new product. Open a new tab. Here, provide a product name for this, like T-shirt. After that, write a description about your product. And write a short description here also. Do not forget to mention the product categories like men. After that, according to the product data, select your product type as variable product and then click on Attributes. This is the appearance of it. From here, click on Add Existing and then you can select your desired either size or the color. If you choose the color, please select which one you want to prefer. Now you decide, have you selected this color only for a specific t-shirt or do you need this color for any t-shirt in general? Then select it. While done, it will look like that. Then save your attributes. Now if you choose the size in this time, then similar process will be applicable also for this. Like select from L, M or XL, and then for the variations you can select all or the specific one. Now go to the variations. You will get two options for this, like add manually and generate variations. Now click on it and get an appearance like this. For every color you have in your attributes, there will be separate sizes available when creating variations. For example, for a black t-shirt, you can have size L, M or XL, and the same will apply for blue and purple t-shirts as well. Now, if you click any one of it, you'll get this type of appearance where you can add your variation image according to your desired one, and then save it. At this stage, if you wish, you can enter your preferred product code number to help with easy identification, tracking and management of your products later on. After adding the main product image, we will now add the image gallery. For this, select a few more similar images . Then provide the regular price and then stock status. In this way, you can attach images for each size of every black t-shirt separately. If you want to add your variation gallery video, then you can provide the video URL for your YouTube. Then provide the video width and the height as well into px or in the percentage, and then save it. This is how you can keep continuing to add your images. And along with that, provide the regular price. On your right side, now save the product image. After that, click on Publish to save all of your customization. Now let's click on View Product to visit our customization. Here it is. From here you can choose the color as well as the size. Each time a size is selected, it will also display the prices you have set. And there will be also displayed a video that you have made before. Let's go back to where we were earlier. Now follow the same process like previous for your further different color t-shirt like purple. Like previous, set and add your gallery images and then save it. In this way, keep selecting and adding variation images separately for each main product. You just need to follow the similar process. While done, click on Update and let's go to visit our new customization. From here, you can choose your t-shirt as black, or even the purple. You can also select your size into L, M or XL for your desired t-shirt. In this way, each time you select a t-shirt in your required size for purchase, It will display the specific price you have set it for that. Here you can notice a difference in terms of pricing. If you want to change the appearance for this single product page, then go to the WooCommerce and then settings. Go to the variation gallery. Under the advanced settings, choose the transition effect for the main image slider as slide or fade. Then choose the thumbnail style from these given options. For example, position left. Then save your changes. And here, this is the difference between before and after. The t-shirt will be displayed in the left position as you have just changed before. Furthermore, if you want, you can also change your zoom button position. Then you can select from this given criteria like top left and then save your changes. Now let's go to the single product page to see our new customization. Choose the color and the size. Now it will display like this. Not only that, if you want, you can also set your gallery thumbnail size according to your demand. Then go to the style. If you want, you can change your arrow background color from this color picker. Then save it and let's visit our new customization. Here it is. Thank you for watching this video.